Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Williams. I'm here to do a video for social studies. And we'll be talking about what social studies is. And we'll talk about things that we need to learn in kindergarten about social studies. So the first thing that we will look at is what makes a good citizen. And so we live in Fort Worth. We live in Texas. We live in the United States of America. And so when we're being a good citizen, we have to be a good citizen for our country, the United States, or some people say USA. Then we have to be a good citizen for the state of Texas. And there's things that we have to do, or maybe we can't right now as kindergartners, but maybe as adults or parents, maybe you have high school cousins, aunts, uncles, maybe your brothers and sisters that are in high school. They may have certain things that they have to do to be good citizens in Texas or the United States. Maybe when you get older. For another place is Fort Worth, being a good citizen for Fort Worth, our city. And then if you think about it, our neighborhood, being a good citizen in the community where we live in our neighborhood. Also being a good citizen at our school when we come to school. Even though we're online, being a good citizen when we come to our virtual learning classroom and with the teacher, being a good citizen. So even though we might be young in kindergarten, we can still be good citizens in our life. And as we get older, we may have more things that we have to do to be considered good citizens. So we know the difference between good and bad. When we're doing things that are good, it's things that are helpful. When we're doing things that are bad, may not be helpful. And so a citizen is us, people that are in our world. So today we're talking about what makes a good citizen. So if you notice on the screen, it's asking a question. So it has 3 pictures, and he's going to read the sentences for us. Move it down a little bit.
What makes a good citizen? I can help. I can take turns.
Okay, so it gives us 2 ideas of what a citizen could be, or a good citizen. We're all citizens, but we have to choose to be good citizens. So one of the things that he said was, I can help, I can take turns. So let's look at the first picture. So here we have a little boy. He has his hat on, he's got a drum, and he's in a parade. So he's celebrating our days. So I'm thinking he's doing 4th of July, maybe July 4th. So he's got his blue and his white. I see the flag in the back, the United States of American flag. I see a little bit of the red and white. So we've got red, white, and blue. So he may be celebrating our independence and our freedoms for July the 4th. And so is he happy or sad? So he's happy. So being a good citizen are things that can make us happy and also make others happy. Then the next one, maybe those are brothers. And what are those brothers doing? Yes, one of the brothers is helping the other brother. And so maybe they're getting ready for school, and he noticed that his little brother needed a little help with his backpack. So he's helping his brother put his backpack on so that he's ready to go to school. How does he look? How does he look? So once again, he looks happy. Is he pushing his brother, knocking him down, leaving him? No, he's right there with him. He's helping him with his backpack. So that's being a good citizen. Maybe sometimes you may have to look around and see, does someone need help? I know one of our students, he says that he plays with his little brother. And so he sees that he's not, that maybe he was by himself, or maybe he just needed someone to be there with him to spend time with him. And so he took the time to play with him. And so I'm sure that made his little brother happy and made him feel good about helping his little brother. In the next picture, this is a recycle bin. You can see the symbol or the sign that says recycle to remind us to recycle. This might be a trash can here, and they're taking the time to sort through different items, and they're recycling. We have one of these in our classroom where we can recycle. So we could recycle paper. Maybe we've had an art project, or we did something where we had to cut things out and glue, and instead of just throwing all of our paper in the trash, we can put it in the recycle bin, and then we can recycle that paper and send it somewhere where they can make new paper out of old paper. Then if we have things in the classroom, maybe we were eating lunch in the classroom one day, and instead of just leaving all of our things on the desk or the tables, we take all of our things and put it in the trash. And so those are ways we can be good citizens. We can recycle the things we need to recycle, and then we can throw away the things that we need to throw away, and not just leave them on the desk and go ahead and go home, or leave items on the desk and leave them on the floor. We take the time to put them in the trash can. And there's other things that we can recycle. Sometimes they have like the soda bottles or water bottles. Sometimes they have containers where you can put all of those things in a recycle bin, and then they have plastics, and they can make new plastics. Another one is the things when your parents cut the yard. They have yard carts where they put all of the old grass and tree limbs and old bushes they may have cut down. They put those in recycle containers as well, so that it's not all mixed together. Our trash, our plastic water bottles, and things from our yard, grass and things like that are not all mixed together. And so if they sort them, they can turn it into new things. So they can have the bark and mulch and things that we could reuse for our gardens in one. The plastic bottles, they can turn those into new water bottles. Paper, they can turn it into new paper. And so we can reuse and recycle many things that we have in our homes. And so I know our city, Fort Worth, is doing that program, and so we can be good citizens by helping and do those things at our homes and making sure we're recycling and not just throwing everything in the trash can. And it made me think about some people might not be good citizens. I was driving down the street one day, and there was lots of trash, like someone maybe just threw a big trash bag on the street, and I had to drive around it. And so it was kind of sad because, they had all of this in the street. How do you think that made the street look? Probably made it look very dirty. And so I was like, wow, someone threw all that trash out instead of waiting to find, like in the picture, a trash can. So we shouldn't throw our trash or trash bags out in the street, we should wait and find a trash can, either at home or maybe at a store, because it made the streets look very messy and dirty. And is that being a good citizen? No. So we have to help, because if everyone in the city of Fort Worth threw all of their trash and all of their trash bags out into the street, we wouldn't have a very nice place to live, and it doesn't help. So we want to make sure and help to make Fort Worth look the best that it can look. And then another one that it talked about was taking turns. I can take turns. So you can take turns and not fight over things like, well, I'm going to do all the trash, or I'm going to put all the recycle. Take turns and share. So maybe if you have brothers and sisters, everyone gets one. Maybe one holds the container, and then other people can put the things to be recycled or the trash in. Maybe checking around your house and see, is there any trash that needs to be put in the trash bin? Is there any recycled water bottles that need to be put away? So you can take turns at home or at school, helping to make the school look nice and being good helpers. So there's many places. But when we're picking up trash, we have to be careful that we're going to be safe. Remember, we talked about being safe in science. So even when you are cleaning, picking up trash and helping, make sure that it's okay and safe. You may have to ask your parents' permission. Is it okay if I pick that up to put that in the trash? Is that okay for me to pick that up and put it in the recycle containers? So make sure, since you're young, make sure and be careful and ask permission before you pick things up. But we do want to try to help and keep our schools and the city and community and the places we live and play. We want to keep those places, clean and safe. Even the playground, sometimes if we're at recess and we're at the playground or maybe at the park, we see trash and things that maybe need to be cleaned up, and we want to be a good citizen and help. But once again, ask the teacher or ask your family before you pick those things up. Okay? All right, so we're going to try our best to be good citizens and take care of our city, take care of our school, take care of our community. Have a good day.